You are cold. Me too, I'm cold. Hello, cold woman. Aray ko, sinabi ko sa kanya, hello, I'm a cold woman. Sabi din niya, hello, cold woman. Aray ko, Shell, hola. Langga Coyote, how are you? Hi, Papa. Oy, Papa. ¿Cómo estás? Papa, how are you doing? I'm talking with you guys. Where is Leonis Coyote? Leonis is under the saya. Is under the kulambo. You sounds interesting. Thank you. Where are you from, cold man? Cold woman is living in Madrid. Hi, Langga Jessica. Alyssa, I'm good. And you? Is Calibre under the Calzone? Calibre. Eliza didn't understand what is calzone. Coyote. Say it in English, calzone. Hi, Papa. Mama is here, cold. Ay, ano ba yan? Tawa na naman ako. Hi, if say the hace fart. ¿Qué? ¿Qué hablas? ¿Estás hablando Dinamarca o qué? ¿O Francia o qué? O in front of me, she is giving me the crazy look. Patay, tutuklawin ka na ni Leonis dyan. Tell Leonis, join us. I'm from Africa, Nigeria. Ah, okay, cold man. But Africa is too hot, not cold. Why your name is cold? It's better to put your name hot man, not cold man. So you speak Spanish more, cold woman? Yes. No. The same. English, Spanish is the same, but I speak Tagalog. I am from Philippines. Isika bonita amiga hola. Calzoncelo. Calzoncelo. Calzoncello. Calzoncello is the calzon. Calzon man dito sa amin natin. Ay, calzon din ba sa inyo? Calzon kasi yan sa Tagalog ay sa Espanyol. Hi, Henry. Jose Arroyo. Hi. Hello, Jose Arroyo. Hi, Henry. Hi, Teresa, my friend. Upo ate, Calzon man dito. Ah, gano'n. Naintindihan mo pala yun. Calzoncillo kasi yan dito sa sa Espanyol. Hi, Connie. Buenos dias. My friends call me. Ah, okay. Hi, Sid2. What are you doing, Sid2? ¿Qué haces? ¿Por qué escribe? Yo no sé de cuáles. I need a large pillow for the lion. You want a large pillow I have here? It's like this. It's a 1 meter. I have pillow 1 meter. Hi, said to don't write any Chinese or whatever. I don't know how to read. I can speak but I cannot read. I'm sorry. Lucien Tumutso. Hi, Adrian. Hola, ¿cómo estás, Adrian? Pero ngayon, boxer na ang panloob ng mga utuko. Utuko. Adrian, ¿cómo estás? Rafael, Adri, my friend called me that gifter buds. Hi, Connie. Thank you for the gift. May gift ba ako? I'm sleeping. Her coyote, you can borrow it. Hola, Adrian. Hi, Fe. Hi, Shell. Ayun. Hi